Hi guys, once again I welcome you all to Daily Trends on PNX News. I'm here to give you the trending issue that is on board. As we're speaking now, we all know that Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are no longer married. In fact, they divorced long ago and it's 6 years now. But it starts now that after 6 years where there is an op-ed from Amber Heard's camp where she came on social media to say she has been a victim of sexual abuse in marriage, where the husband has also come to tell the public with tangible evidence, claiming to the world that in fact he is not guilty. Let's dive deeper into this. So Amber Heard has been ordered to pay her ex-husband Johnny Depp an amount of $50 million in damages after the Pirates of the Caribbean star sued her over a 2018 op-ed in the Washington Post. Amber Heard would appeal the verdict in her libel trial against Johnny Depp after the jury ruled against her. A spokesperson for the Aquaman actress confirmed her decision just hours after a court heard that Amber would have to pay her ex-husband $50 million in damages after she lost the case. Amber's representative has Alafer Hall told the New York Times that Amber planned to appeal the decision after the actress said she was heartbroken by the results. Johnny, 58, brought the case to court after accusing Amber, 36, of defaming him in 2018 op-ed she penned for the Washington Post entitled, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced the culture's wrath, and that has to change." The article does not mention Johnny by name, yet his lawyer said it falsely implied he physically and sexually abused Miss Heard while they were together. Johnny was awarded compensatory damages of $10 million, that is 8 million euros, and further $5 million, that is 4 million pounds, in punitive damages. Experts say that to appeal the jury's verdict, Amber would have to post a bond for the full $10 million judgment plus interests. The actress would have to demonstrate there were errors in the trial or in jury's reading of the law to be successful, while Amber is said to be planning the next round of their legal battle. Johnny was seen relaxing in a pub in Newcastle with singer Sam Fender. In a statement after the verdict, Johnny said he feels at peace and was truly humbled after jurors returned verdict in his favor on Wednesday after 6 weeks of evidence and roughly 13 hours of deliberation. The Pirates of the Caribbean star was seen first bumping and fans and drinking pit musicians Sam Fender and Jeff Beck at the Bridge Tavern in Gateshead while Amber was in court. In his statement, issued through his spokesperson, the actor said his decision to pursue the case was only made after considerable thought, and his goal had been to reveal the truth regardless of the outcome. 6 years ago, my life, the life of my children, the lives of those closest to me, and also the lives of the people who for many, many years have supported and believed in me were forever changed, he said. All in a blink of an eye, false, very serious and criminal allegations were leveled at me via the media, which triggered an endless barrage of hateful content, although no charges were ever brought against me. And 6 years later, the jury gave me my life back. I am truly humbled, Johnny continued. Speaking the truth was something that I owed to my children and to all those who have remained steadfast in their support of me. I feel at peace knowing I have finally accomplished that. He said he had been overwhelmed by the outpouring of love and colossal support and kindness from around the world, adding, I hope that my quest to have the truth to be told would have helped others, men or women, who have found themselves in my situation, and that those supporting them never gives up. Concluding the statement, he added, "The best is yet to come and a new chapter has finally begun. Veritas mamcum peri, truth never perishes." Johnny has joined Jeff Beck on his UK tour, appearing on stage to sing with him at various venues across the UK, including the Royal Albert Hall on Monday and Tuesday. The two are rumored to be performing together again in Gateshead on Thursday night. Speaking outside the court in Virginia, the actor's lawyers Benjamin Chew and Camille Vasquez said they were truly honored to have represented him and were so grateful to the jurors and other members of court staff. "It is time to turn the page and look to the future," Mr. Chew said. Though Johnny was not present for the verdict, Ms. Heard attended the court in person, sitting between members of her legal team at the front of the courtroom, and the actress took downcast as the ruling was read out by the judge. She had her head bowed and appeared to be listening intently to the verdict. In a separate verdict, Ms. Heard was awarded $2 million in damages after her counterclaim against Mr. Depp over comments made by his lawyer Adam Waldam, who allegedly referred to her abuse claims as a hoax, was found to be defamatory. Following the verdict, the actress said she was heartbroken, but even more disappointed with what this verdict meant for other women. "The disappointment I feel today is beyond words," I quote, she said in her own statement, which was shared on social media. "I'm heartbroken that the mountain of evidence still was not enough to stand up to the disproportionate power, influence, and sway of my ex-husband. I'm even more disappointed with what this verdict means for other women." Ms. Heard said the verdict set back the clock to a time when a woman who spoke up and spoke out could be publicly shamed and humiliated. She added that Mr. Depp's attorneys had succeeded in getting jury members to overlook freedom of speech. "I am sad I lost this case, but I am sadder still that I seem to have lost a right I thought I had as an American to speak freely and openly," she said. The case was brought in Virginia rather than in California, where the actors live, because the Washington Post online editions are published through servers located in Fairfax County. Witnesses have included family members, friends, colleagues, employees, and other individuals, including British supermodel Kate Moss, as well as both Mr. Depp and Ms. Heard. During the course of the trial at Fairfax County District Court, legions of fans gathered outside in an attempt to enter the courtroom and observe proceedings. Many lined up outside the courthouse in anticipation of the verdict and gave huge cheers as the verdicts were read out. And this is what happened between the two. Thank you for your time, and don't forget to follow us on all social media platforms. I'm AA. It's a bye for now.